tropical dry forest is a beautiful biome full of stunning wildlife and nature. It is also one of the most ecologically diverse biomes in the world. It is also one of the most threatened biomes in the world. This is a tropical dry forest. You can find tropical dry forests in all continents except Antarctica. The countries they are more common in include Madagascar, India, Central America, Brazil, and some parts of Southern Africa. Here is a map of where you can find them. They are found close to the equator. Also must comment around 200 and 1,000 meters above sea level. They see 500 to 2,000 millimeters of rain each year. The reason why that number fluctuates so much is due to them having dry seasons. This is a graph of their temperature annually. This perfectly illustrates the dry seasons of the tropical dry forest. That is also why it is sometimes referred to as a seasonally dry tropical forest. The dry periods typically last about 6 to 7 months. The temperature does stay relatively even throughout the year. This is due to it being a tropical biome. Temperature sits at around 81 degrees annually. This is the perfect climate for its plant and animal life. Wild pigs and mongoose are both invasive species in the tropical dry forest. They are both being hunted to get rid of them. They are both killing native wildlife and animals. This is the food web for the tropical dry forest. You can see in this picture what the animals at the top of the food chain are. The iguana is one of the many lizards in the tropical dry forest. They use their spiky tails to defend themselves. Giraffes also live in the tropical dry forest. There is definitely a lot in common between savannas and the tropical dry forest, though similarities also go for the plant life. Succulents and acacia trees grow in the tropical dry forest. Both of these plants don't need a lot of water, which makes them perfect for the tropical dry forest. Acacia trees also have thick bark, which protects against wildfires. Fires are much more common here due to them being dry. The tropical dry forest is one of the most threatened biomes in the world. Due to it being burned down, it is endangered. It is also very dry, so the fires get out of control very quickly. Most of it is being destroyed to make room for farmland, but some of it is for firewood. Sloth bears, which are native to the tropical dry forest, are endangered due to hunting and habitat loss. Wildlife SOS, which is an organization dedicated to defending India's wildlife, is taking steps to stop this. The Komodo Dragon is also losing its habitat for the same reasons. The Komodo Dragon National Park was created to protect the Komodo Dragon. Giraffes are endangered, and areas with acacia trees are being reforested to try and stop this. Climate change is causing this biome to become drier and drier, thus being more susceptible to wildfires. The Zero Earth Project is dedicated to protect biomes, including the tropical dry forest. It is only funded with donations. What we can do to conserve the tropical dry forest and lots of other biomes is raise awareness to the Zero Earth Project.